Hi friends, today we are going to see how to cut Punjabi suit. We'll see the cutting first on lining and then we'll cut the main fabric. Now we'll see the measurement of this dress. Length is 43, chest is 37, waist is 32 and a half, hip is 46 and armhole is 17 and a half. Now we'll see how to cut the dress. First we have to add 4 inch in chest and waist. So 37 plus 4 is 41, waist is 32 plus 4 is 36 and a half. In hip we don't need to add any measurement as hip area is open because of side slit. So we will follow this measurement right now. First we have to take the armhole drop line on which we are going to mark chest area. For armhole drop we have to divide our chest area, that is 41, divided by 5.25 inch. It is 8 inch. So first we have taken this 8 inch drop on which we are going to mark the chest. Next is your waistline. We are going to mark it on 15. This is your waistline. We are marking here hip line on 23. As per the measurement we are doing this. It will be different as the different measurement is there. So we have to follow our body measurement. Now we are marking here the full length of the dress. It is 42. We have taken this 42 because we are marking here on lining. Lining is always 1 inch less than main fabric. We have to mark it shoulder. Shoulder is 16 and a half, but we are taking here 15. Half of 15 is 7 and a half. This measurement we have taken as per the shoulder on chest line for armhole mark. Now we are taking chest measurement. As fabric is on fold, we have to take fourth part of the chest area, that is 10.25 inches. Same way you have to mark waist area also. Fourth part of your waist plus half inch extra for dart. We have to take the dart at back side. Here we are marking dart. This dart point we have taken 4 inch upside the waist and below the waist it is 4.5 inch. Now give the shape for dart. We are going to mark here hip area as per the measurement 46. Hip is 46 and we have taken this fourth part of the 46 and we have not added any loosing in this area. Now we are marking here armhole curve. Now we are marking here the bottom area of the dress. It is same as hip. We have added half inch here extra for side seam fold. Now we are marking here 3/4 inch shoulder drop. This is neckline marking. This is shoulder drop. This we are going to add extra margin chest to hip area. Now we are marking here 8-inch neckline for back neck. We are going to make it round neck. Your marking is done. Now we'll proceed for cutting. Now we are going to cut this with the margin of 1 cm at shoulder and armhole. At side, margin is already given. Your back cutting is done on lining. We are cutting here neckline with the margin of half cm. This is your back neck. Armhole is 17.5. We'll check here. Our armhole is 18. Why? We have added here half inch loosing. Now we'll check the armhole. It is 9. In measurement it is 17 and a half, and this is back side lining Firma, so it is 9, and front we have to take the deep cut. It will become a 18 and a half. 1 inch losing is automatically add in this Firma. In front, now we are marking here armhole, as we have to take the deep cut, so we'll take here half inch inside the armhole cut and mark here armhole shape. Because of that, total armhole will be 18 and a half. This is a front armhole. Now we are going to mark here neckline for front neck. As per this embroidery, neck is hot neck, that is sponge shape. We are going to mark here as per the neckline given in the dress material. Now we are going to mark here 21 inch side cut. This is our side cut. You have to fold it here, side slit. Now your Firma is ready for cutting. This is our main fabric. Neckline is already given with the fabric. Now we will fold it from the center. Now we are going to cut this main fabric with the front Firma. Your front Firma with the main fabric is done. Now we are going to cut a neckline with the main fabric. With the margin, we have cut this main fabric so that we can fold it properly. Now we are cutting here back of the dress. Your back is ready. Now we are cutting here sleeve of the dress. We have mark here 7 inch, sleeve is 6 inch, but for finishing we have taken 1 inch extra. Bottom is 12 and a half. You have to take the half of it. From sleeve length you have to minus 3 inch to get the curve of armhole area. This is your armhole mark. you have to give the shape. Give the extra margin here. This is center mark, and now you have to give deep cut of 1 cm for armhole front. This is your sleeve ready. Now your dress cutting is done. If you like this cutting, you like us, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.